Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this DVD called Confident Deceptions, Volume 1 by Jason Ladanye. I believe that's how you pronounce it. He's a crazy card mechanic and magician. 1080p. Gonna start a new hobby. Pick this up, so should have gotten my scissors. I always hate opening these. I'm really surprised they haven't improved, like DVD movie opening packages. I feel like this plastic is just so outdated. Always tears so poorly. Got it. No cover or anything? Wow. Confident Deceptions Volume 1. Let's go. Alright, let me know what you guys think of this in the comment section below. Hope you are doing well. And good luck with all your magic tricks. See you guys next time. Later.